Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be repotting 3 new plants that I got. Well, 2 of them are new, one of them just needs to be repotted, but anywho, so I'm just going to put my mix, go ahead and get my mix in here, in this bowl, which is just regular indoor potting mix, and I've put quite a bit of perlite in it. I might put more, who knows, but so the first one I want to do, I think, is my cactus. Go ahead and get it out of the way because I don't want to get poked. There's roots sticking out of the bottom, so it definitely needs to be moved up. So I think I'm going to go ahead and kind of mix what's already in here with what I've got. So this is the pot. I got these pots at Walmart for like $1.50 something. This one has a little cactus. It says "stuck on you." That's what I'm going to be putting the cactus in. This one has a pineapple on it. And this one's just a plain white one. And they all have drainage holes too, so that's awesome. So what I'm going to use is these tongs because I really don't want to get poked by the cactus. Luckily the soil is very, very dry in this. I'm going to try to do this without hurting the cactus. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this soil in the bottom of this planter. Actually, because it's a cactus, I'm going to add a little bit more perlite. Just because it needs really good draining soil. Okay. Cactus in here. Tap. Use this to get the... I recommend using some kind of tongs whenever you're doing cactuses so that you don't butcher your fingers. That's what I do anyway. Especially with one this prickly. Should be good. And there we go. So there's the cactus. He's happy now. I'll give him a nice drink whenever we're done. So the next one I want to do, I'm just going to go ahead and put more perlite in this mixture anyway. Just because I love to have quite a bit of drainage in my soil. Better safe than sorry. So, okay, I'm not sure which one I want to put in which. This is one of my new ones. It's an arrowhead. I'm thinking the pineapple one because it's exactly a size bigger. So let's see, yeah. So I think we're gonna do that. This one's still moist, so I'm not going to give it water. Yeah, this one's very, very moist. Pushing down that soil nice and tight. To wipe off the dirt off these planters. So there's that one. And now the one that I already had that needs to be repotted. I've kind of neglected this one, so there's some pieces on it dying that need to be pulled off. And it's my Haworthia, and it's kind of in a too big of a pot really. This one's slightly smaller, so I'm going to put it in this one. Plus, I prefer white planters over colored ones. So, yeah. Alright, let's see here. I need to pick off some of these dying pieces. Kind of just like forgotten about this dude, so he's not in the best shape. But he's still alive and got roots, so I'm not going to give up on him yet. Actually, might not be big enough to put in this one. I think I'm going to switch and put him in the pineapple one. I think that'll be better. Anyway. Just because the arrowhead plant's kind of big. I mean, it's not huge, but it's bigger than my Haworthia, so I mean. A bit more in there. There we go. I think that's better anyway. Need to be in a bigger pot. Now, let's put this Haworthia in here. noise in the background. That's my cats. This will be better for it anyway, because this was way too big for it anyway. I don't know what I was thinking when I got it and put it in that pot. What are your guys' favorite house plants? Let me know in the comments. Alrighty. I think that looks cuter in the pineapple one anyway. So here they are. That is all three of them repotted. And I made a mess on my rug. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more plant related videos, just let me know in the comments. Which I'm probably going to do more plant videos anyway now that it's spring. So, yeah. So give me a like and comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.